Hi, and welcome to this lecture about the game view window. In the last lecture we talked about the scene view. Now as you can see, the game view is hidden, so we can just move it to the side to show us both the game view and the scene view, so that any changes we make in the scene view will be reflected in the game view. The game view, the first option we have there is to be displayed as the game camera or a simulator. Simulator, when you click it, you will show that it will put the view of the camera inside device screen. You can choose which device that you want to simulate. You will put it back to game. This to select the display in case you have multiple displays. Free aspect, this one is to select the aspect of the camera. Right now it's set on free aspect. If you see, when you move the game view, now I'll just zoom out to show the bounds of the main camera in the scene. When you adjust the game view, you will notice that the camera gets narrower. This is because this is a free aspect. But if you set it to fixed aspect like 16:9, it will be a fixed aspect. So whenever you move, it will still keep the same aspect. There are multiple aspects also you can select from. And now, because we are working on the build target is Windows, so these are the aspects available, but you can add more aspects also by clicking this button. Then you can add width and height. Then it will add here an aspect that you can create yourself. This one is to scale. It will zoom in and out the game view. This option is to play focused or maximized or unfocused. There is gizmos. This will toggle displaying the gizmos. The gizmos are the icons, like the camera. Here the directional light. This is the icon for the directional light. The camera. This is the icon for the camera. Of course, the camera is not displayed here because the camera is what we are seeing the scene from. Stats will display some stats about the game when you are running it. Now it's displaying stats for the editor mode, but when you press play, it will and your game starts running, the stats will be different. It will draw calls and the FPS. A lot of useful information will be displayed. So that's it for the game view. In the next lecture we will talk about game objects and components, especially the inspector window. See you then.